Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Keys to Success in English Language, where we make technology easier for you. Today we're going to talk about Pictory AI, an AI-powered video editor that can revolutionize the way you edit your videos. Let's get started. What is Pictory.ai? Pictory AI is an AI-powered video editor that uses advanced algorithms to make video editing easy and efficient. The tool analyzes your video and automatically identifies the best moments and clips to use in your final edit. This saves you a lot of time and effort in manual editing. It's like having a personal video editor that works for you, 24/7. How does Pictory.ai work? The process is quite simple. You upload your video to Pictory AI and let the software do its magic. The AI algorithms analyze your video and identify the key moments, including people, objects, and locations. The tool then cuts and arranges these moments to create a professional-looking video. You can then refine the edit further by selecting your favorite moments and adjusting the transitions and effects. Features of Pictory.ai. Pictory AI comes with a wide range of features that make video editing easy and fun. Here are some of the key features. Automatic video editing. As we mentioned earlier, the tool automatically identifies the key moments and clips and arranges them to create a video. Smart music selection. Pictory AI also uses AI to select the perfect music track for your video. You can choose from a wide range of genres, moods, and styles to match your video. Advanced color grading. The tool comes with advanced color grading features that allow you to enhance your video with the perfect color tones and shades. Transitions and effects. Pictory AI offers a range of transitions and effects that can be applied to your video to add a professional touch. Why use Pictory.ai? Pictory AI offers several benefits that make it a great choice for video editing. Here are some of the key benefits. Saves time and effort. The automatic editing feature saves you a lot of time and effort in manual editing. You can focus on creating more content rather than spending time on editing. Professional-looking videos. The tool creates professional-looking videos that can help you stand out from the crowd. Customizable editing. You can customize the final edit by selecting your favorite moments and adjusting the transitions and effects. How to use Pictory.ai? Using Pictory AI is quite easy. Here's how you can get started. Sign up for Pictory AI. You can sign up for Pictory AI via my affiliated link given in description, and you can use with a free plan, and then you can upgrade your subscription plan with my 20% discount code KEY26. Upload your video. Once you've signed up, upload your video to the platform. Let the tool work its magic. Pictory AI will automatically analyze your video and create a final edit. Customize the edit. You can then refine the edit further by selecting your favorite moments and adjusting the transitions and effects. Download and share. Once you're happy with the final edit, download it and share it with the world. So, that's Pictory AI, an AI-powered video editor that can revolutionize the way you edit your videos. It's easy, efficient, and creates professional-looking videos that can help you stand out from the crowd. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.